Who is it?
It's my friend.
Who is it?
It's my friend.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
What's your profession?
I am a doctor.
What's your profession?
I am a doctor.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What's your favorite food?
I love soup.
What's your favorite food?
I love soup.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
Where are you going?
I am going to a store.
Where are you going?
I am going to a store.
How was the party?
It was good.
How was the party?
It was good.
What is it?
It's salad.
What is it?
It's salad.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good.
What is that?
That's a temple.
What is that?
That's a temple.
What are you doing?
I'm playing game.
What are you doing?
I'm playing game.
What's for dinner?
Spaghetti tonight.
What's for dinner?
Spaghetti tonight.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
What did you buy?
Some vegetable.
What did you buy?
Some vegetables.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What's your job?
I am a student.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is she?
She is my sister.